commercial revolution and the changes in European society, right? Okay, look, first thing, whenever you know, like some terms come, you should try to questionize what it is, right? What it is. So, commercial revolution, what is commercial revolution, right? Commercial revolution basically refers to series of interrelated events, right? Between late, you can say 15th century to 18th century, right? Late 15th century to 18th century. These events actually signified a shift or change from largely subsistence economy of Europe, medieval Europe, you can say, to a more dynamic and integrated worldwide economic system, right? I will again repeat, and please keep writing also. Please make a note also, brief note, right? Because this is the crux actually what I will be discussing, right? Commercial revolution refers to the series of interrelated events, right, between 15th century to 17th, 18th century, right? These events signified a shift from largely subsistence and you can also say a stagnant economy of Europe or medieval Europe to a more dynamic, right, surplus oriented worldwide economic system, right? In other words, you can say that commercial revolution signified expansion of trade and commerce. In other words, we can say that commercial revolution signified the expansion of trade and commerce, right? That started in 15th century, right, and continued, you know, onwards, right, culminating into industrial revolution, right? Like why it is said revolution? That is because of the large scale and the manner in which trade and commerce was organized, right? Because of its scale and organization, it was at such a large scale and organized manner that it is called a revolution, right? Now comes the point ki, like what was the cause, right, of this revolution, right? ये तो conception तो आप समझ गए, you understood the conception of commercial revolution, right?